New hair, who this? Hey my girl. So a quick update of everything that we've done this week. This week was a very successful week. We started off, okay, so I want to say like two things are happening at once. So I am acting as a project manager for this mobile home renovation, and I am jumping back into wholesaling mobile homes. So I kind of have two things going on at once, but they are all related. Let's talk about the renovation project first. So that has been going really well. I told y'all that I spoke with the specialist at HUD, so I'll know exactly what we need for the home to be HUD compliant. We had 2 contractors come out. I did receive 1 quote from a contractor. I'm waiting on 1 more quote. After I get that 1 quote, then I'll talk to the property owners and we'll decide which contractor we want to go with, have them sign an agreement, and then we'll start ordering the materials and getting the work done. I really wanted that particular task closed out last week, and my contractors, both of them, they were supposed to have me the estimates by Friday. However, that did not get done. So I've been following up. I ended up getting 1 estimate on Saturday, and I'm still waiting on another. So hopefully I have that soon so we can make that decision and get that ball rolling. So that's good. The second thing, as far as wholesaling, my flyers came in, which was super excited. I haven't opened the box yet. I'll include that on Work With Me vlog. I have already started building up my buyers list because I made a post on Facebook a couple of days ago attached with a Google form, and people started filling out their information, so that was amazing. I was supposed to meet with this park owner. Dang, I wanted to update y'all on that. I can't remember because I'm always recording so much stuff. I'm gonna watch this video back, and if I didn't talk about the phone calls that I made, which I don't think I did, I'll talk about it in next week's Work With Me vlog. Yeah. Look what's in the mail. About to open these up.
How many did you get?
I got, I think, what, 500, I think? I gotta look back at the order, but I think it was 500. Good morning. I'm so out of breath. I just got from the gym. I did me a nice little 45-minute workout. Today was leg day. We are out in the field today. I have my flyers. I am starting off in Lake City, and then I am going to make my way. I don't know if I'm going to go back to King Street or if I'm going to go to like Hemingway and Johnsonville. I don't really know my route yet. I should probably figure this out, but I'm going to be putting these out in like local gas stations, laundromats. Basically, those are my main 2 places, like gas stations and laundromats. So my flyers, and we're going to see how effective they are. I wanted to go a different route than my bandit signs because I'm not going to hold you. Bandit signs are really effective, but honestly, I don't like putting out bandit signs. That's the first thing. And 2, bandit signs are expensive. Like, you can get cheap ones and write on them, but I don't want to do that. So these, I got 500 of these, and they were like $105. Me and my sister, we went half on them because we're doing this together. So we're gonna put them out, see how many calls we get so we can get these leads coming in, and you know, hopefully they work. I have a goal to close 20 mobile home deals in the next 90 days. And I'm not gonna hold you, it's a stretch goal for sure, but I know that it can happen, especially because I'm partnering with different people. So I know it's not all on me to find these 20 deals, close these deals, and do all of the things. So I'll keep y'all updated on that. But yeah, we out in the field with it today. I know on my last vlog, I told y'all that I was gonna tell you about basically these different conversations that I had, but I'm gonna tell y'all about that later because I'm driving, and you know, it's not good to do this while you're driving. Shout out to my good sis Naya who did my hair. You can't really see it all that good, but it's really, really cute. I'll show y'all later. All right, bye. I'll keep y'all updated on how today goes. See ya.
So what you in a rush for? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Or you running out of time, huh? But time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You getting mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same, okay? But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless.
All right, y'all. It is currently 11:50. I am tired, so I had to stop use the bathroom. I stopped in this gas station. Y'all, I went in there. That gas station food smells so good. So you know how to get me some. So I got me a pound cake. I got me a 2-piece with some fries. Let me show y'all how it looks. Looks amazing. What shrimper? And then on my way out, I got me a Bible. It says Personal Bible, Verses of Comfort, Assurance, and Salvation. I love it. Today has been a great day, but I'm still not done yet. I gotta go to Andrew's, and then I'll go back home. Real good. I should probably move from this gas pump just in case somebody needs some gas. Ain't these fries good? I worked out this morning and now look at me. But I got my water. I don't even know where I'm at. I need to look this up. I'm at Mango Shop. Let me show y'all. But I need to know what city I am. What city I'm at. This it right here, Mango Shop. I know I'm in the country somewhere. I ain't never seen this many people getting chicken from a gas station. Except for dang, what's the Super Chick. Except for Super Chick and Andrews. Now if Super Chick was still open, that's where I would have been getting my chicken from. But we're gonna see what it's hitting on. So far their fries are good. But yeah. The whites and the blacks was lined up for this chicken out of Mango Shop. So I know it's good. Should be. Hopefully. I have been to almost 20 places so far. I actually think it's 20. I gotta go through my phone and look through all the videos and pictures I took. But I've been to a lot of gas stations, a lot of laundromats. I've been to one hardware store, but I know my car is sick of me getting out, getting in, cranking up the car. I'm cranking up the car. But today has been productive. I got started at, I want to say 9:10. It was right after I left the gym. And now it's 11:54, so like, what's that? Almost 3 hours of being out in these mobile home streets. Dang, it's not good. All right, y'all. I will see y'all later. Let me eat my food. Let me eat my food. I really need to move from this gas pump just in case somebody else need to get gas. I can't stand people do that. Let me move. I put in all that work this morning. This food was good though. It was alright. The lies I tell. That food was great. I said that I was taking a video of my plate talking about it was alright. Food was great. Alright. Let's close this up. Let's try this pound cake. See, it's very hard for me to like people pound cake, especially because I compare it to my LS pound cake.
Yeah.
She has the best pound cake in America. And let's see what this is hitting on. Okay. Okay, I was not expecting this. I ain't gonna hold you. This little gas station pound cake is good. It could have been a little bit moist, but even though it's not, this junk is still great. It's good. Yeah. Just a good pound cake. I know it's good. Them old people back there in the kitchen working. Amazing.